Hello kids, today we will learn 20 easy sentences using I can. Let's say them together and feel confidence. Come now, let's read all three lines. I can read a book. I can write my name. I can draw a picture. Now let's read lines 4, 5th and 6th. I can run fast. I can jump high. I can sing a song. Now let's read 7, 8 and 9 lines. I can dance well. I can help my parents. I can clean my room. Now we will read line 10, 11 and 12. I can play football. I can ride a bicycle. I can count numbers. Now we will read lines 13, 14, 15. I can speak English. I can drink water. I can eat fruits. Now we will read line 16, 17, 18. I can see the sun. I can hear music. I can study every day. Now we will read lines 19 and 20. I can be kind to others. I can learn new things. Very good, kids. You all did a great job today. Say it with me. I can, I can, I can. Keep learning every day. Believe in yourself. Don't forget to smile and clap for yourself. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye, kids. Don't forget like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.